Top of the morning, guys. We are almost finished with our puzzle game app, and we just have a few to-dos left from yesterday. Basically, yesterday we worked on the validate puzzle function, and this is telling me puzzle not found. This is telling me puzzle not found because I assume we have not set up a puzzle for today. So basically, we're fetching the puzzle for the current date, but there isn't a puzzle for today, so it's actually showing an error. And this is something I really want to tackle with the next sort of series of videos, is building a little admin app so we can set these puzzles up in advance, and a lot easier than fiddling with the emulator or the remote DB. And then also we can, in the future, automate it completely with AI and get it to actually create its own games where all I have to do is just, review them. So let's just fix this quickly, and I can just kind of show you what we did yesterday. Wow, that's not a real date. Imagine that. Cool, so there are puzzles back. Yesterday what is going on here? Where are these images? For some reason, these aren't loading. Let's have a quick look. We've got all 6 of them here. Let's have a look and see what it looks like in the DB. Storage path, spa, London R, Ma, R, little, width shouldn't be broken. Oh, there we go. I don't know why I did that. That's so weird. I'll make a note of that. It wasn't loading the last 2 images for some reason. Anyway, yesterday we wrote our backend function to validate this puzzle. Basically taking, all these inputs and checking that we had them correct. This is obviously going to fail because it's in the incorrect order, but let's just see if it's still working. Incorrect answer, please try again. Attempts left is 0. So that's disabled because we're using yesterday's puzzle results. Let me just reset my attempts quickly and reorder. I just want to see that this is working. Aspar with my little r. Aspar with my little r. Oh, no, I'm going to have to... Damn it. I have to reload. Because I've updated the DB and it's not reflecting it. And we can actually optimize a bit further. And Firebase has snapshot listeners, so they would update our data in the app when we update the DB. Could totally do that, but I'm just going to chalk it down to developer error for now. Aspar with my little r. Okay. And why are you not... Do I have to reload again? Why is it saying... Oh, I edited the incorrect user. It's okay, guys. It's a bit of a cold start, but we'll get there. It's not called Shaun Codes for Real for nothing. There we go. Cool. Aspar, let's rearrange. Aspar with my little r. And attempts left is 0 again. What is going on here? Aspar with my little... I don't understand. I've edited both results to be 0. It should be telling me... No, it's 3. So weird. Anyway, it's 3rd time's the charm. Aspar with my little... And another optimization would be to actually, once I fill in this word, it would automatically focus the next input. Definitely want to make a note there. Focus next input when for word, because that's definite UX improvement. Oh, let's try again. Okay, let's submit. Yay, you've cracked it. Took us 18 hours. We only used 1 attempt, didn't use the hint, and that's cool. But now we actually shouldn't allow the user to submit again. I don't mind them going back to the puzzle, but submitting again is just a waste of resources. So let us also tackle that. Okay, we have a to-do there, but we also want to... That's just complaining because it's not a boolean and it's expecting a boolean. Getting a bit verbose. I might just improve this a bit now. So let's just create a variable for this. Is puzzle complete? Why are you complaining? There we go. Has reached max attempt. Yep. And I'm just doing that just to make this a bit clearer. So cool. And that, yeah, obviously doesn't fix our issue we're having right now. We want to say puzzle has success. Maybe it just has success. Disable it if we... Ooh, it should. Or did we say complete? Completed. Yes, we did completed. What if... Let's keep it. Cool. Or has success, disable the input, and yeah, that's all good. If they then go away and come back, just wondering if we should repopulate their inputs. Nah. Could be cool, but probably not worth it. Let's move on. We really want to focus on MVP at this stage, because I'm super keen to get this into user testing with my friends and family and see if what we've built actually makes sense. Awesome. Okay, so we've done that. If they've completed the puzzle, we won't allow them to complete it again. And we may just also, if they have completed it though, we may just want to just show them the success dialog when they come back here. Do we? Yeah, I think so. So let's just do that. Let's go. If the user completed the puzzle already, show the success dialog. And ChatGPT, Copilot will be able to do this for us. Cool. Boom. Now go back, and it's just going to open this again, which just means they can't view the puzzle, and I don't like that. So I'm going to just backtrack on that one. Okay, what other to-dos do we have? We have add the game dialog, and I believe there was another one to reset the letters. So we need to actually take letters and set them to correct letters, which is just going to effectively remove all the incorrect letters. So let's have a look. And I'm going to disable this quickly. Am I on the correct user? I've got 2 users in there now, so I'm not quite sure. Okay, I've got the right user. Let's make sure one of these letters is correct. So basically I want all the correct letters to stay in place, all the incorrect letters to be removed. Woo! Yay, it worked. Only one letter was correct there, and we can continue. We can type ahead. We can't remove the correct letter. Awesome. It's like a real little game now. I love seeing these things come to life. And I genuinely can't wait to play this. I think my mom's going to love it too. My wife potentially as well. And I also had an idea of doing like a little kiddies version. We could have a kids mode, which just looks for kids puzzles. And yeah, I think we're onto something. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. Cool. To do, I think the very last one, was the game over dialog. So when the user receives or completes their puzzle correctly, at this point, we want to, when they get it incorrect and they have no more attempts, we want to show them a game over dialog. And we'll do that over here. Or, I'm just thinking, if we do it here, that's cool. This response will come back. They've reached their max attempts. We show them game over dialog. If they reload the page, then they will still be able to go back into the puzzle. And I'm just wondering if we want to allow that. Because they may want to actually go back and see, where did I go wrong? They want to reference the letters, but we don't want to allow them to submit again. So I think it's best just to pop it here, and we'll do it something like, if the user then show a game over dialog. Otherwise, we'll just show it to us. Yes, okay. Yeah, that's cool. Response.attempt, no. I think we need result data over here. And Or I'm just wondering, the result data may not have arrived by this stage. Is that possible? So first user uses first game. They submit, they get it incorrect. We save the result. We pull it over here. Pull it here. Okay, so we need to actually grab the updated data over here rather. Updated results data. Is this returning? Yep. But it's using this approach. Awesome. Okay, so if we have updated result data. Oops, where did I go? And the attempts are greater than max attempts, we'll navigate. Navigate and then we'll return. Perfect. I think that'll work. So the reason we can't use the result data directly over here is because we're updating it on the back end. We're refetching it, and I'm not sure that this function is going to have a fresh copy. So I'm just going to make doubly sure and just grab that updated result directly from our API call and check that. And I think that'll be cool. Let's create a new dialog for that. We shall call it game over. And it'll be awesome to add a little sound effect there too. Puzzle game over dialog. And we can add a root. Puzzle game over. Perfect. Happy with that. We just need to update this now. And what do we want to show you? Maybe we can show. We could show all the stuff that we're showing here, but maybe instead of a success image URL, we show a error or game over image URL. I think that'll be cool. And then we just need to update this over here. So let's go. Let's see what Copilot tells us. Game over. Game over. Okay, let's stick with that. Game over. What emoji could we use? Game over. Try again tomorrow. Yeah, game over. Try again tomorrow. There we go. Perfect. We got stats. And you'll notice that we're reusing all the stuff in the success dialog. And we can create a component to share the stuff. But at this stage, I'm still prototyping. I'm not sure, what the final design is gonna look like yet. So I'm gonna leave it as is, because we may actually update them separately and have them have completely different designs. May not show these stats, I don't know. So let's just use this and everything should work. Well, let's go there. Let's navigate there quickly. We should be able to just go straight here, and it's navigating back because there's no result data. Really? There should be. Just check if I remove that. Puzzle, game over, navigating back. Why? Don't understand. Oh, of course. There's no root for it yet. We've added it into our roots. And I should actually make a note here. Yeah, I'll make a note of that. Just in my boilerplate for future reference to basically add any new roots here and in the router page. Cool. Puzzle, game over. Puzzle, game over. And now I suspect it'll work. Today's puzzle, game over. Yes, game over, try again tomorrow. Guys, don't look so happy. I'm actually going to generate an image for this quickly. Be right back. Okay, so ChatGPT generated a little image for me. I'm just going to pop it in this folder and show you guys quickly. It's just a sad family on a road trip. Game over. Pretty apt. It'll do. It'll do. We'll pop it into storage. We will need to update our types. So we'll pop it into puzzle data. So we'll go game over storage path. And then we can just simply move my head. Just copy this one add another field, game over, storage path, game over, is that on? Yep, that's there, should be good. And then we just need to update it here. So we'll go game over image URL, use the correct storage path, is game over. Gotta love TypeScript. Awesome. Why? Okay, so it didn't work there initially because it had the old puzzle data, but now it's got the new one. And that's great. Cool. Time taken, temps, hint used, game over. That image really needs to be a bit bigger. Width 50? Maybe 52? I just don't want to get any scrolling happening on this. I mean, people are going to be using this on mobile, so what am I even checking laptop for? Oh, we did it for a reason. Let's leave it as is. We can always make it bigger on desktop, but cool. And then the user can go back and we won't show them the game over dialog again. Awesome. I think that's all our to-dos. Yeah, we can remove you. Oh my word, I think we are done. Let's just do a final confirmation. Gonna be wrong. Game over, try again tomorrow. I used 3 attempts. All these were correct, so close, but the order was wrong. Yes. Awesome. Let's commit this stuff. What did we do? What did we do? We added a validate function. Validate rather. Feet added backend validation function. And this can like a server, alien, computer. Yes. Okay, let's hope the linting goes through. Awesome. And that's that for the puzzle app. I mean, I think yesterday I checked, we were on about 8 hours. So 8 hours plus 1 hour setup time for 9 hours. So one day of our weekend we spent setting up a puzzle app, front end and back end, and it's deployed in the wild. I can actually just show you every time we commit. It's been deploying. What is it? What the pixel? And later, like, I'll obviously add some, custom domain and all that stuff. We don't have any data in there just yet, but we will add that once we have a remote admin app to sort of make setup easier. But I think not too bad for a day's efforts. And I'm really loving the design and the logo. So excited about bringing this to the world. It's actually been so much fun. Cool. So yeah, I think till next time, I'm gonna do a Swahili cheers now. So Swahili.